Fante comedy no gina.
Fante comedy.
Was I say me on mad kunja on. I don't know how this poison got into that boy.
Jesus.
Now, say BBC no one you makasi a chain into one poison no.
Jesus.
And yet chain by poison on. Boy, hence obi what to do for this. Within the prophet Attah.
Jesus.
Onya kwanche na machire no.
Amen.
Professor General.
Onya wenye so mehumi asem. Ompe body mono no twa. So conference so share so tie na obi oni bia no on kan kire no e from prophet Attah.
Abusia prophet Attah Gyebi ede enkom shekese pa aba betudwa afa Fante comedy ho abranti anano okaseti a NDC ene John Dramani Mahama Ghana president a yabeso ne pechi eche no
me a one pepper na me kwa de na kai na me pen sasa me de fi kwasi apeni ampa wono ana na me expect some to come ya sa obuasi ai MP a wo bi de na wo jina ye shese ya to abawie wo se chinchina no the force be gise wa wini e ko fa won kwa na boys ba mo be boost MP eba mu NPP ni no mo twetwe ne sabia mo twetwe ne hwa ne no kwati nyina edi nnua ene sika nyina gina ne so na mo ka ya ko wada yes
Mubedi di nkwasi asem e the so-called party na mu defend no as very tight corners. And I feel you will get these people when their family sitting somewhere and be like, okodi party na chipra kasa ma party na wenya asem party official bi akrant ni ama me rescue no okodi party na tia okasa ya defend ya kokonya asem kra no party for ni your money mun can tell me how NPP can come to the aid of these fools in this situation. How in God's name can the NPP officials even come to the aid of these fools in this situation? Do you think the situation is just light like that? It moves a light, sir. Free Fante comedy. Fante comedy will not be free today. Fante comedy will not be free tomorrow. At the chance of home, Fante comedy needs to come and tell Ghanaians I was a Fante comedy woba no baba chire Ghana for baby I was say Mahama koji tumi no claim the lives of 8888 onu ni susu say Mahama fast down ko na man fast down kwa baby oji tumi no e ho oji moja enti Ghana for be wu no I was a Fante comedy be chire Ghana for no so nyina ye nsade ye ko baby kura tumi kuro Mahama koji no ne nyina ye kone ye kodas na ye nsum egujam enipa 888 be wu Ghana hada bia de be kasen I was a Fante comedy oba be chire. She said all these words. Okay, can some way now you know recruit mkrofo e be mu good life so. And no be planning to execute the president. Oba planning ye na ya saso nipa we mu a. Mo se anya ne den. It took us fix the country. Me so when bana bongase nsu a ye tware free bana bongase kodokochina. Metina kodwo mu ekodokochina from bana bongase kwa campaign 2016 ama NPP. Me na nampa ebobi na jeme. Dana kanso na efame. Do you know what we did for the NPP? I niema nkoya ye be can fix the country and costing some of us our jobs. This should go to an NDC youth awoshe me. Offer from now we feel say we defend our party na. Munshie nyansa. Some of you will put the party in a very tight corner where the party can't even come to your aid. And then their families will be sitting somewhere and be like, hey, no, country party next year, where your NDC me youth now hear me. What is that? Me one me iPhone me data ya. She nyansa na who dia also ba online ababeka. Because Mahama not ya dia so emra ni mo afa ne ho nche no. Enti na why calm and focus a wo hwe nani mo wo bu man no. Ah won keka no no wo to me. Mahama or time president o. Say Mahama, we are supreme leader. Mahama or time president, we are supreme leader. And he's more than a president. As we said, still with who he is, where comes son and NDC in the Eka will say, now you all will tell me how the NPP can even come to the aid. Officials, you bet me a bank aid about the Sheson bet me cry be from a situation where you will kill the president. You will kill the president and you want to be left to go scot free. Are you mad? Are you people mad? We are here. Fante comedy he hates her. Fante comedy hates the president even more than girl now. Or be cancer no. If not, Anka, TikTok, or swa, you the host have the power to control every guest. Anka girl me be na no start here so kasa pa. No way you know feel life no so. She waited. He patiently waited. Ghana crowd Rebecca we san so e me dane discuss mo discuss here. Mo we na mate WhatsApp group. Na mo ko discuss and na mo ko akoye kwan ba so be kuna. Who will even know? Nti yenyi Fante comedy ne. Nti we NDC ni youth. Now so defend o party am we nyansa emfa ma wo. Na me catch us Mahama mpofom a aban emrabe so ni mo. Na enye wo. Mo hu say the campaigns me party ana. 2024 why any pages so I campaigned for NDC. Do you know what I was doing? I didn't go attacking any NPP official. I didn't go lie jandambia. I was here patiently waiting for officials negano okatacha free fan tromba be trafa party no ma be dikodi. On be trying to code. Some race when you bring some person with the party about power 2024. This is what you people should be doing. And yet some of you mama your home and the at take more. Quite a fast to take more. And come for free fee. About them scapegoat. These people should be set as scapegoats. Now, but I can't Canada because you see, I saw them with the Ghana ha. Yes, see, Tia Matata can say, some year will cause and why baby mama. Ah, what no? Yeah, I send by your digger on the fly quabon thing, blah blah blah. One day, he means it. Say no cross some year will baby mama.
So say any day the can ya share or subscribe to your channel no me bell so said the bay the upload be tomorrow on the first person I want sa ebetumi aka Prophet Attah Gyebi e de nkomhye chenche atudwa na nkomhye ni nyina koma Fante comedy odifo nsemo a odi tudwa nyina ne say ya poison Fante comedy onim kwa ya fa so a poison ko Fante comedy ni pedwam bet ya poison no de wono de nyame ayi ahre no and is either say Fante comedy be pesofo a waben wodifu bi ama wahwe no abompaye ama na kwanchere ana say Fante comedy betie akwanchere a wono Prophet Attah Gyebi ade tudwai me pese wo ka me ho ne yekohwa akwanchere a Prophet ade tudwa ma Fante comedy.
Nice. Yo mo chin no mo ja no.
O kasa na nsen.
Mon ka onimodifo bi on kono mana kwankyere. Na opo ntie. Ompe body
Jesus.
Body aye no ano. Onwa no hono no. Odwa no hono na. Ontwitwa. Onsoku mfansu hye onsoku pa.
Jesus.
Oma de enche so. 24 hours, the next 24 hours no. Onhwensu no no. Poison bi akonu. Mon kan
Jesus.
Jesus. So what for them? Yes. Fasa mo dey kan dey machine mon kan check. I don't know how this poison got into that boy.
Jesus.
Now, se BBC no wa won makase ye chain ntin wa poison no mu.
Jesus. Jesus.
Anya dey chain by poison on. Boy, hence obi what to do for this. Within the prophet Attah.
Jesus.
Onya kwanche na machire no.
Amen.
Professor General.
Onya we nye so mehunu asem. Ompe body mu no wudwa.
No twitwa.
Unso conference you share. So na na obi oni bia no. On can tell no. If I'm prophet Attah, I'm not doing anything out of the midst. That boy will die. Obi was on them. Ibiasi onumade no. Onumade na de kon be ba ne ho beto no.
Amen.
It's not for public discussion. I'm saying it.
Yes.
Onye se see a wojina manim I will report to the chronicle wojina manim. Fante comedy no wojina.
Fante comedy.
Onye.
My God.
It's not a matter of politics who belongs to whatever.
No.
Onye akwanche no let's see what.
Yes.
Wasase e mere onima de kunja onye. Wanya ebesi.
Abusia video no ani akohwe aba no message say wo de wadwen kire abeto comment section ho amaye na enene de edikan a wo be mi abel no so na enene de da edikan a wo be subscribe to your channel yi no mi abel no so said be ya de upload bi atomo a when the first person na wonsa ebetumi aka ya from it nana asamoa ya be share